Hello and welcome. I'm Alexis Byerly and this is my Project on Air video. For my video, I will be interviewing Miss Varble, who is the advisor for the North Mason High School Girls Who Code Club. Okay. So, Ms. Varble, why did you decide to start Girls Who Code?
Miss Quam came to me 2 years ago and said, hey, I heard about this cool club, because she knows I have a prior experience with technology because that was my job in the Navy, and then she wanted to get it started up here. So, okay. The first year we did it, we only had middle schoolers that signed up. That was it, so we ended up finishing it up down at the middle school, and the focus was a little iffy. So this year we did it again. We have a separate middle school Girls Who Code, and I don't know how many takers they had this year, and then
So, are you enjoying it?
a little bit. I wish we had more involvement. That's the whole reason why the club existed in the first place, because there's not a whole lot of girls, for some reason, when they hit a certain age, they're no longer interested in coding.
Such a
It'd be
shame.
nice if we had more.
Yeah. Maybe this will help to encourage people to join. Hopefully. So, what type of tech knowledge did you have?
So I was an information systems technician for 6 years, active duty Navy, and then kept doing it reserves, so like a total of 14 years now. So I'm rusty because I haven't done a whole lot in a while. And technology is one of those things that if you're not keeping up to date, it just zooms away with you, but I'm pretty good.
That's good. Alright, so do you think you've learned things from this experience?
Absolutely. It's amazing how coding has changed, because I got into HTML in 1994. When I was in middle school, I started coding HTML, and Java was still in its first version. It was Java 1.0.
Wow.
So, and then to see just how many different coding languages there are now, and how much more you can do.
Do you have a favorite?
A new coding language?
Well, just any coding language.
HTML, because it's the one I started with.
Wow.
It's classic. It's simple.
My favorite is block coding, because that's quite simple. It's pretty straightforward. It's a pain in the butt, like all coding. So, what are we working on in the club right now?
We are building an app called Brighton. It is still called Brighton, right? We haven't
Yes.
changed the name. Okay. And it's got, ideally, once it's finalized and perfected, you hit a button and it'll give you something to make the world a better place, to brighten someone's day or even your own day.
Are there any other facts that you want to share about this club?
Oh, that was
Or
the app.
Or the app, about this club or the app.
The app is only available on iPhone, because nobody who joined the club had an Android that would work. So maybe next year that's something we can fix too.
Yeah.
More girls.
Yeah.
Different.
With a variety of phones.
And the club, I'd love to have more people. I'm gonna keep trying to do this, but if I only ever get one person, it makes it for a really boring club.
Yeah, but at least that's a start.
Yes.
That's someone, and then that someone could bring more someones.
You could just grow exponentially.
I would love that. Come back and see this classroom filled. Oh, that'd be great. That'd be the best day ever. So how far along is the app so far?
Almost done, I believe.
Yes.
It's just the next final touches. We still haven't done our about page.
So when do you think this app is going to be finished? Like fully?
I don't know. I'm not building it anymore.
Yes, but after this year, I'm not going to be here to build it.
Oh, to finish building it?
Yeah.
I think if we'd have a new club next year, we're going to have a whole new vision with whole new people. So whatever doesn't get done this year,
It'll just be...
that's where it is. That's how far we got. It'll still be the masterful finished product.
The first attempt. Yeah, and maybe they could learn from what we've done in that app.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much for being a part of this. Okay, so this is the mobile part of the app that we are working on. This is what is used to test out the app. This is our homepage. We have currently named it Brighten. Got a cute little smiley face on a sun, brightening up some days. Then if you click on the menu, it takes you to support and about, and then you can also go back. And then if you were to click on people, these are all of the days with nice fun tasks like this one, wave and smile to a neighbor. If you click on completed, congratulations, you amazing human specimen, making the world better one step at a time. Main menu takes you back to the main menu. Same with go back. Same with if you were to click in and press main menu. And then the environment one is the same, and they all have tasks set up for them. Currently, we only have 1 month, and this is the product of the Girls Who Code Club members' work. Thank you all for watching.